So here we are after yesterday's massacre. I must say that we managed to get back up on our feet, just like Rocky Balboa said. No matter, what you do, all that matters is, how many punches you can take, how many times you can get back on your feet. So let's move on. Today was pretty much awesome. I mean, in the London session, I managed to pick up a couple of Bulenox accounts evaluations. So the 3 Bulenox accounts which I lost yesterday, I passed the new evals today, so should be able to request an activation tomorrow. So most likely I'm going to continue to trade with them for next week. Okay. So we got the 3 Bulenox accounts. 3 because you can have 3 accounts at once. With Bulenox you can scale it up to 11, but that's for the future. So we got those back, and the London session was pretty much, I would say, boring. Not too good price action. Did a small scalp, but we had a nice trade as price was starting to fall back to a liquidity void here, which happened right after the 2 a.m. kill zone. And so I got back to into a short with a good risk to reward, so that was good. But after, we had the news today, which I did not follow through. So we started the New York stream, and I started to scalp a little bit here after they opened. The first presentation gap or first fair value gap happened here at 9:32 Eastern Standard, and then scalped a little bit, took out the data low because the data high was already taken out here, right? So the data high was taken out. This was the news candle, 8:30, and then we took out the data low, which is awesome. And after that, I was pretty much convinced that we should be going up into these supply areas or order blocks, which partially we did actually. My final TP was up there because I entered to a long position, actually 2 long position down here on an inversion, started to go long from here, but then I got stopped out because I got stopped out on this candle. this one wicked me out. I should have had my stop down there, but anyway, when it started to go up, I saw this market structure shift, so I took another long, second chance. Although everybody was saying it's gonna go down, it's gonna no. The plan was to go for the order blocks, so it pretty much went that way and ended up in profit finally, even recovering from that small loss there. Managed to make over $1,000 on all of the leftover funded accounts. So this was a pretty good AM session, and I wasn't at the computer at the PM session, but it looks like there was some good runs here. But anyway, let's look over what happened on the accounts. So first of all, as we left with 4 Apex accounts, this one managed to make, and with micros as usual, getting back on track, managed to make $328 on this one, $272 on this one. Oh, by the way, so this account is almost at $3,000. So the plan is I am going to request a payout, I think, and because of the 30% rule, most likely I'm going to get denied. But that doesn't matter because the plan now changed. I'm going to try to push this account to maybe $54,000, so $4,000 in profit. Try to take out $2,000 from this one, and the same goes for this one too. Anyway, 272. This one made 267. This one is a 2,273. This is oh sorry, the other one. This one is eligible for a payout, so I'm going to request the payout. This should be okay. Risk management was good on this one, and And the last one here is also above $2,600, managed to make 276 today. So overall, the Apex accounts are still building up, and I'm not scared that if I'm not gonna, I mean, obviously I'm expecting that I'm gonna get denied on this payout cycle, but the next cycle, and that's what we all might have to understand, that if you get denied at Apex, you know, that must be because of risk management violation. But for the next cycle, the good news is that I'm building up the buffer, so nothing wrong. All right. And as for the My Funded Futures account, managed to make almost $100 on this one, getting closer to a payout. And this account here, almost, well, a little bit more than $100. This one is aiming for the second payout. I sure hope we can get there. And all of this with 1 and 2 micros. So I'm super happy about the result. Overall, more than $1,000. And we got back 3 Bulenox accounts. Now I'm gonna do a separate video for next week to summarize how I'm doing with the evaluation accounts that I'm pushing with Take Profit Trader, Tick Trader, and I have, oh yeah, the Tradeify account. I haven't really talked about that, but anyway, Tick Trader, Take Profit Trader, and I'm also trading with the day traders, but that's a different story. Anyway, in the background, I'm still building up some evaluation accounts, and now I'm super happy that Take Profit Trader has deleted the daily loss limit. So I think it's gonna be much faster, or should be faster. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. We managed to recover. This was a good day. So moving on. Yeah. See you guys.